Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 5th of maths of class 8th, that is data handling. Firstly, we will discuss what is data. A collection of numbers gathered to give some information is called data. Students, there are two types of data, primary data and secondary data. सो स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम डाटा डायरेक्टली किसी सोर्स से कलेक्ट करते हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्राइमरी डेटा, एंड जब हम डेटा को न्यूज़पेपर, मैगजीन, टेलीविज़न, इंटरनेट एंड फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेज से कलेक्ट करते हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सेकेंडरी डेटा. So we can say that data is usually collected in the context of a situation that we want to study. For example, a teacher may like to know the average height of students in her class. To find this, she will write the heights of all the students in her class, organize the data in a systematic manner. Sometimes data is represented graphically to give a clear idea of what is represents. So student, do you remember the different types of graph which have learned in earlier classes? So first is pictograph. Pictograph means पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, मीन्स इसमें हम पिक्चर्स यूज़ करते हैं, सिम्बॉल्स यूज़ करते हैं, डेट इज़ कॉल्ड पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. स्टूडेंट्स, देयर इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पिक्टोग्राफ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस ग्राफ में हमने कार की पिक्चर को एज ए सिम्बल यूज़ किया है, जिसमें वन सिम्बल मीन्स 100 कार्स, मीन्स जो वन पिक्चर है वो 100 कार्स के इक्वल हम काउंट करेंगे, एंड हाफ पिक्चर को हम 50 कार्स के इक्वल काउंट करेंगे. सो इन जुलाई देयर आर 100 + 100 + 50. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी कार्स वर प्रोड्यूस इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई. द आंसर ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 250 कार्स. Second question is in which month were maximum numbers of cars produced. So students, you can see here in September there are 400 car produced. So maximum number of car is 400 and the month is September. Next is bar graph. Students, you can see the bar graph, a display of information using bars of uniform with their heights being proportional to the respective values. Students, you have to remember that bar heights give the quantity for each category and bars are of equal with equal gaps in between. Clear? So now we will give the answer of these question. First question is what is the information given by the bar graph. So students, you can see number of students in class 8th. Clear? So the bar graph gives information about number of students of standard 8th in different academic years. Here number of students and here academic years are given in this graph. Next question is in which year is the increase in the number of students maximum. Students, you can see in year 2003 to 2004 the number of students is 100, and in year 2004 to 2005 the number of students is 200, and year 2005 to 2006 the number of students is 250, and in year 2006 to 2007 the number of students is 300, and in year 2007 to 2008 the number of students is 350. So the answer of second question is in year 2004 to 2005, the increase in the number of students is maximum. Next question is, in which year is the number of students maximum? The maximum number of students is 350. You can see in this graph. And in which year? In 2007 to 2008. Clear? So answer of third question is in year 2007 to 2008. The number of students is maximum. Next question number 4th. State whether true or false. The number of students during 2005 to 2006 is twice that of 2003 to 2004. Students, you can see in bar graph the number of students during 2005. This is the bar graph of 2005 to 2006. The number of students is 250 and the number of students during 2003 to 2004 is 100. You can see here, this is 100 and this is 250. So we can say the number of students during 2005 to 2006 is not twice that of 2003 to 2004, but more than twice. Clear, students? So this statement is false. This is false. Next is double bar graph. A bar graph showing two sets of data. Students, you can see in this graph there are two sets. One is 2005 to 2006 and second is 2006 to 2007. Students, now we will give the answer of these questions. Students, you can see in this graph plain bar represent year 2005 to 2006 and shaded bar represent year 2006 to 2007. First question is, what is the information given by the double bar graph? So students, इस बार ग्राफ से हमें क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है? The double bar graph provides information about marks obtained by students in different subjects and comparison of their marks in year 2005 to 6 and 2006 to 7. And second question is, in which subject has the performance improved the most? So students, you can see in this graph, in the subject maths, the performance has improved the most because in 2005 to 2006 में स्टूडेंट्स ने को ऑब्टेन हुए 30 मार्क्स एंड 2006 टू 2007 में स्टूडेंट्स ने ऑब्टेन किए 60 मार्क्स. सो यहाँ पे क्या किया है, स्टूडेंट्स ने इम्प्रूव किया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन विच सब्जेक्ट हैज़ द परफॉर्मेंस डेट्रोइटेड मीन्स कि किस ईयर में स्टूडेंट्स के मार्क्स कम हुए हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन सी हियर कि यहाँ पर इंग्लिश में स्टूडेंट्स के मार्क्स कम हुए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन विच सब्जेक्ट इज़ द परफॉर्मेंस एट पर मीन्स कि किस सब्जेक्ट में स्टूडेंट्स के मार्क्स सेम ही हैं, मीन्स उसकी परफॉर्मेंस सेम है, ना उसका इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है ना ही उसके मार्क्स कम हुए हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, you can see in this graph, in Hindi subject the performance is at par. Now students, this is the end of today's session. We will continue this chapter in next video. Thank you.